catnip and milk.
Ew.
Michelle, he's a cat, dumbass.
I know, but that sounds nasty.
Your face is nasty.
Watch how fast he eats it. Pedito. Pedito, look. Pedito.
Look at my baby. He's so fat.
Oh yeah.
She looks like
He counts it.
mommy. Her looks like Michael Myers.
Look at him. You act like you've never eaten before, Pedito.
Wait, can I smell this?
Let me try one.
No.
Oh. Yeah, it smells like guinea pig food.
I want to talk about guinea pigs.
You killed him.
Bro, anyway, I don't want to talk about that issue.
Shut up. I'm just kidding.
Shut
I'm just kidding.
Why do you talk? No, those were expensive. They're not for him.
Oh,
to
let me see.
eat.
There's one.
Ew, it smells nasty.
It's catnip.
Dang, he got that like that.
Lower your voice. I'm tired. Those aren't regular food you can put down there. It's a treat. Who wants more?
Mama loves a Pedito. Mama gets treats for Pedito.
How much does it weigh?